What's up, journeyers? We are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, pretty much right outside the Smoky Mountains, and my wife and I, Kelsey, are with our family for a vacation for the next 7 days. We're gonna do all things in East Tennessee. We're gonna go to Dollywood. We're gonna go to the Stampede show. We're gonna go to the water park. We're gonna go to the Smoky Mountains. We're gonna hike. We're gonna do all sorts of fun stuff. And this is the pad that we're staying in for the next 7 days. So we've made it here. Kelsey and I had about a 13-hour drive. I spared you all the driving shots. So now we are in Tennessee. Family's starting to show up. But I want to give you a tour of this place, guys. It is amazing. So roll the footage.
Splash Country, right? Splash Country in Dollywood. It is Monday. I don't even know
Start
what the
of the trip.
First day of the trip.
We stay a little bit longer. Sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot do it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting. We can't wait, just hold up, let me say I'm trying to make things right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see. I have realized.
We're at the Aquarium, and we probably are going on a hike later. It's raining, but that never stopped us. All right, let's have some fun.
I know that I can be defensive. Say that it ain't only what can you see, it ain't easy. Ooh, but now it feels like I can hear what you're saying. No point, no blaming, so great, wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head, don't know why. Don't know why. I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see. I apologize for everything.
So I decided to go on my own hike here in the Smoky Mountains National Park, but I'm here at Laurel Falls, and guys, it's just gorgeous. We're in Dollywood. We're in Dollywood for the day. day here in old Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Smoky Mountain National Park. And we are going on a hike. It's our last hike. We are doing Chimney Top Trailhead. Looks pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited about this one. Be another great adventure to show you guys. It's 1.75 up, 1.75 back, so about a 3.5, 4 mile hike. Let's get into the beauty.
Your butt ain't hurting, you ain't working.
I think we're all working. Aaron the most, he's carrying 5 children. So, trip always comes to an end eventually, and it's not always fun, but it excites us to plan our next adventure and to go to another new place. Can't wait to show you guys what else we got coming. So, until then, we will see you, journeyers. Make sure you're living life to the fullest, and remember, you can make your own journey.
I just got one.
Nothing like the Rockies.
Go ahead.